Hey everybody, how's it going today? I would like to talk about this Masterbuilt. I don't know what model it is exactly, but it's the 40-inch digital. It's non-Bluetooth, but a lot of guys have these 30 and 40-inch Masterbuilt smokers, and they have a problem of the GFIs tripping on them. I also had this problem, so what I did. Actually, let me tell you a little about this thing first. I actually got this smoker for free. How'd I do that? Craigslist. Guy put this up. Free. Temp regulation issues. It has to get too hot, blah, blah, blah. I get it to 200 and it gets 350. Well, I don't know what he was talking about, but anyways, I plugged this thing in and it was getting, I would turn it on. It powered up like this, and I could set, the temperature and the time and go through all that, and it would turn on. And the first time I turned it on, after it sat, it would turn on for about 10-15 seconds, and then it would trip the GFI. Okay, and then after I reset the GFI and tried it again, then it would trip within a few seconds. I read a million forums like everybody else out there and tried to figure out what the deal was, but here's what I did to get mine to work. So let me open it up here for you. Turn the light on. Alright, so I took my coil or my pan off, and you can see there, and all I did, because I figured it was probably a coil issue, because a lot of guys say it's coil issues, so I figured maybe this thing got wet at one time. I got a heat gun, I tried that, and then I said screw it, I get the torch. So I came in here with the torch, and I heated that, went throughout that whole coil within, I don't know, probably 3-4 minutes. Just went over the whole thing. You don't have to get way back in here because this doesn't really heat up, but from like a couple inches out from the back and the rest of the coil. So I heated that up with a torch for 3 or 4 minutes. Try to dry everything up, or by chance maybe expand the coil. Maybe there's a short or something in there. And then I turned it on and it worked. I haven't put it back together yet, but let's check our temperature. I had it up to 200 degrees, so it's down to 148. It's cooled off now, but 145. So yeah, our actual temperature is 145, and our probe temperature, which I have the probe on the side there, right there, that is a few degrees higher. And I also checked once this guy got up to temperature that it was the right temperature. I stuck an actual manual thermometer inside on the rack, and my reading on here was within 20 degrees, I would say, and then my probe reading was within 20 degrees. So I don't know what the guy that gave it away, I don't know what the hell he was talking about. Maybe he might have had that coil issue and it was tripping a GFI, and he just wanted to get rid of it and didn't want to throw it away. But anyways, there is my free 40-inch Masterbuilt smoker. Awesome, huh? So if you like that, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell all your buddies. I know you probably know somebody that has one of these that has the same issue. So till next time, stay safe. See you guys later. Thanks.